Hey there, gamers! Are you trying to decide between upgrading your RAM or SSD for a better gaming experience? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's start with RAM. More RAM means more multitasking ability, allowing you to run multiple programs and games without slowing down your computer. It's a good choice if you find yourself frequently running out of memory. On the other hand, upgrading your SSD can significantly improve load times for games and programs. Faster load times means less time waiting and more time playing. This is especially important for competitive games where every millisecond counts. So which one should you choose? It depends on your specific needs. If you're constantly running out of memory, go for more RAM. But if you want faster load times, an SSD upgrade is the way